Hello and welcome to the TenKei ATM YouTube channel. So today what we are going to do is we're going to show you how to set up a MetaTrader 4 account. Part 1. Right now, so once you've downloaded your MetaTrader 4 account or MetaTrader 4, this is what you'll have. Now we went to FXCM because we are using FXCM. Questions have been asked, do we need to use FXCM with the EA, the TenKei automated trading machine, algorithm, automated trading system, etc. Do we need to use FXCM with the TenKei total profit target? You know, the expert advisor for you who know it, right? So this is an education. You'll learn about all these words in time and over time. But no, you don't need to use FXCM, but what you do need to use is a MetaTrader 4 account. Okay, so we're using FXCM MetaTrader 4. So once you've loaded it up, you'll find this, all this. Look at all this. Let's put this in the center so you can see all this. So you have all these different windows. This is a window here which has Market Watch. We'll have a whole bunch of markets in there. You have a navigator window which we'll be going through. It's showing up here 4 markets. This is the euro dollar, and this is a 4-hour. It's H4, so 4 hourly chart. This is a cable dollar or the pound dollar, and it's a 4 hourly chart. This is the dollar Swiss franc 4 hourly chart, and behind here is the dollar yen. Okay, 4 hourly chart. These are the majors for you forex traders who know this. These are the majors. These markets are the ones which are traded the most. Okay, we may even, well, I think we will be looking at this. We have things in the pipeline to show you how to use the TPT, the total profit target, with forex, and you can even use the TenKei 7.0 EA as well. But this is what you'll find. Okay, so what we're going to do next is simple, in a sense. We're going to look down this on this scroll down this bar here, on this bar here, and we can see we have FXCM, the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, the euro, and we have here the euro again, and we have here the cable or the pound. We have here the yen. What else we got? We got here the dollar itself, right? Can you see that? See all that? And these are all dollars. So it's saying here, for instance, FXCM, do you want to use FXCM dollar real number 5? Because you've got these different numbers here. Number 5, Forex Capital Markets, which is for FXCM again. But what we normally do is we would advise you as a beginner also, or testing this out, because remember, with the TenKei ATM you have 90 days to test it out, and with the TPT, which is easier to use but more it's the manager basically, because the TPT is for people who know what to do. You've got 30 days. Let me just say this, people, what you could do, you could actually get that TenKei ATM and test the TPT for 90 days. You could do that. But anyway, over here you've got FXCM Cable GB Great British Pound Demo 1, or you have the FXCM, the Great British Pound Real. But what we're going to do for now, we're just going to click on this, and we're going to click on next. But so as the videos do not become too long and laborious for you, we're going to stop there and we're going to get to the next video. Okay, thank you.